In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on VPN on your Windows 10 laptop. So to turn on VPN, click on this Action Center. Here you will find option VPN. So just highlight it. So when you highlight, you will see this option. Click on Add a VPN connection. Give the VPN provider like Windows built-in. Give the connection name, server name or address. VPN type like automatic, point to point, like this another option. So select which you have. Type of sign-in info, username and password to or smart card, one of password and username, it's optional. So set up these VPN connection settings, and after that click on save. So that's it. By this simple and very quick method, we can turn on VPN on Windows 10 PC, laptop or another Windows 10 PC or laptop. That's it. Thanks for watching.